braces. With most modern operating systems hide that information from you. So if you're not seeing the TXT, you're going to want to turn those on if you're going to be a game programmer. Now the way to do that differs by operating system and version. So you type in your operating system version to web search. Just search for show. All notice bit. Run the function or the series of code described between these braces. Now, what all that means might sound like a bunch of Greek if you're new to programming, but the gist is that we don't want our code to actually start running for our game until all of our page, and therefore all of our code is finished loading. This allows us to be a little more loose and free about the order